Hello everybody, my name is Denise Giovanna Chica. I'm Systems Engineering Program in the National Open and Distance University. This English course 4, Task 2, Let's Talk with a Native Speaker. In this video simulate a video call, and the topic is social media. Okay, Dominic's called. And he asked, do you believe we compare ourselves to others on social media? Oh, yes, I think so. People want to show themselves to others as if they had a perfect life. Show their family, their house, their beds, their trips, even what they eat. And this makes the networks become a competition to be better than others. And then in this race, they leave aside the true feelings and they forget the social networks were be created, because it is to bring people together and families and friends and meet and talk with the people in the other places of the world. But however, the effect is the opposite. Okay, Dominique asked, do you think the information displayed on social media inspires our actions? In my opinion, it depends on many factors. First, the message you want to make known, and the type of people or public you want to reach. In social networks, there is everything and for everyone. Good things and others not so much. Each person has a criteria and a way of thinking that is not always the same. So the responsibility is in each one as an individual who belongs to a society and must assume their own responsibilities with it. Personality, I think that there are publications that lack more depth and meaning, but there are also many others which is worth taking the time to look carefully. And the third question is, social media affect our mental health? Yes or no, and why? I think yes, of course. In fact, it's worrying to see that the people most affected are children and adolescents, because they have not yet defined their personality and are more exposed to be manipulated. So they still do not know right from wrong, and live and grow up in a false reality. Okay, this is all. Thank you.